Many of North America's migratory bird species are facing significant population decline. The Fatal Light Awareness Program, known as FLAP, is a registered charity dedicated to protecting migratory birds in human-created environments. Over the past 25 years, it has worked to help prevent night migrating birds from flying into lit office towers, as well as daytime bird collisions with homes and corporate buildings. Through community engagement and a network of dedicated volunteers, FLAP Canada has accumulated invaluable data on bird building collision. In 2006-2007, Toronto City Council adopted FLAP's recommendation to develop a light pollution bylaw and guidelines for existing buildings and new constructions to prevent bird collisions. Dozens of cities have since followed in Toronto's footsteps. Another major achievement was the creation of bird-safe standards, which FLAP Canada developed in collaboration with bird conservation organizations, architects, and bird experts. Congratulations to FLAP Canada on 25 years of education, research, policy development, rescue, and recovery. We are pleased to give the Nature Inspiration Award, not-for-profit, small to medium category, to FLAP Canada.